Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible power you hold in your hands every single day? It's not in your phone, or your wallet, or even in the keys to your car. It's on your plate. The food you eat is one of the most powerful tools you have to shape your life, your energy, and your future. We often hear the phrase, "You are what you eat," but have we truly let that sink in? It's not just a catchy saying, it's a fundamental truth. Every bite you take is a choice. It's a choice between feeling sluggish and feeling vibrant. It's a choice between fueling disease and fueling health. Today, I want to talk about how we can start making those choices consciously, joyfully, and transform our lives from the inside out. Let's be honest, the world of healthy eating can feel overwhelming. One day, kale is the superhero, the next, it's a villain. Carbs are bad, then they're good. Fats are forbidden, now they're essential. It's enough to make you want to throw your hands up and just order a pizza. I get it. But what if we simplified it? What if we stripped away all the noise and focused on one simple, powerful idea: eat real food? I'm talking about food that comes from the earth, not a factory. Food that your great-grandmother would recognize. Colorful fruits and vegetables, wholesome grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This isn't about a restrictive diet, it's about an abundant lifestyle. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it's literally built from. Think of your body as a high-performance car. Would you fill a Ferrari with cheap, low-grade fuel? Of course not. You'd give it the best premium fuel to make it run at its peak. Your body is infinitely more complex and precious than any car. It deserves the absolute best. When you eat processed junk, you're essentially pouring sludge into your engine. You might get by for a while, but eventually, things will start to break down. You'll feel tired, your skin will look dull, your mood will suffer, and your immune system will weaken. But when you fuel yourself with vibrant, nutrient-dense foods, everything changes. Your energy soars, your mind becomes clearer, your skin glows, and you build a powerful fortress of health that can withstand life's challenges. The journey to healthier eating starts with a single step. It doesn't mean you have to overhaul your entire kitchen overnight. That's a recipe for burnout. Instead, start small. What's one simple swap you can make today? Could you trade your sugary soda for a glass of sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon? Could you add a side salad to your lunch? Or maybe swap your usual afternoon snack for a handful of almonds and an apple? These small, seemingly insignificant changes create a ripple effect. One good choice makes the next one easier. It builds momentum. Before you know it, these small habits become your new normal, and you'll start to crave the feeling of being well-fueled. One of the biggest hurdles people face is the idea that healthy food is boring or tasteless. This could not be further from the truth. Nature has given us an incredible palette of flavors, colors, and textures to play with. Think about the sweetness of a ripe mango, the satisfying crunch of a fresh bell pepper, the zesty kick of ginger, or the creamy richness of an avocado. Healthy eating is a culinary adventure. I challenge you to get curious in the kitchen. Try one new vegetable a week. Experiment with herbs and spices instead of relying on salt and sugar for flavor. Roasting vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes brings out their natural sweetness in a way that will blow your mind. Making your own salad dressings with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs is not only healthier but so much more delicious than the bottled stuff. Cooking your own food is an act of self-love. It connects you to what you're putting into your body and empowers you to take control of your health. Let's talk about the mental shift. For so long, we've been conditioned to think about food in terms of good and bad, leading to guilt and shame. This is not a healthy mindset. Let's reframe it. There is no moral value to food. There is simply food that serves your body and food that doesn't. When you're at a party and there's a cake, you don't have to see it as a cheat. You can make a conscious choice. Ask yourself, how will this make me feel? Is it worth it right now? Sometimes, the answer will be yes, and you should enjoy that piece of cake without a shred of guilt. Other times, you'll realize that the fleeting pleasure isn't worth the sluggishness you'll feel later, and you'll happily pass. It's about being mindful and intentional, not perfect. This journey is about progress, not perfection. The benefits go far beyond just physical health. When you eat well, your brain functions better. The term brain fog is real, and it's often linked to a diet high in processed foods and sugar. When you switch to whole foods, it's like a cloud lifts. Your focus sharpens, your memory improves, and your mood stabilizes. The gut is often called the second brain, and for good reason. A healthy gut microbiome, which you cultivate by eating a variety of plant-based foods, is directly linked to lower rates of anxiety and depression. The food you eat is quite literally building your thoughts and emotions. By nourishing your body, you are profoundly nourishing your mind. So, where do you begin this transformation? Start right now. Your next meal is your next opportunity. Look at your plate. Is it colorful? Does it have a source of protein to keep you full, some healthy fats for brain health, and plenty of fiber from vegetables or whole grains? Don't get bogged down in counting every calorie. Instead, focus on counting colors. Aim to eat the rainbow every day. Each color in fruits and vegetables represents different vitamins and antioxidants, and by getting a variety, you ensure you're covering all your nutritional bases. Make water your best friend. Dehydration can often be mistaken for hunger and is a major cause of fatigue and headaches. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere and sip throughout the day. Your body will thank you. This isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. It's about having the energy to play with your kids or grandkids, the clarity to excel at your work, the vitality to pursue your passions, and the resilience to face whatever life throws at you. You have the power to build a life of incredible health and vibrancy. It all starts with your very next bite. Don't wait for Monday, for the first of the month, or for a new year. Your future self is begging you to start today. Make the choice to honor your body. Make the choice to fuel your potential. Make the choice to eat for the life you truly want to live. You deserve to feel amazing, and it all begins on your plate. Thank you so much for watching. If this video inspired you to take a step toward a healthier life, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you live your best, most vibrant life. What's one healthy change you're going to make today? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, take care.